Once a stable and cottage, now a warm, open-plan home filled with character. This beautiful home project blends timeless style with playful charm, proving great design is all about living well in your space. Ham Interiors, a family-run architecture, interior design, and build practice, is known for creating meticulously well-considered, comfortable, and high-quality interiors that seamlessly complement busy family lives. Their distinctive style offers an updated take on the classic country house aesthetic, firmly rooted in tradition yet elevated for modern family living, often incorporating a playful use of color and a touch of the unexpected. One notable project that exemplifies their design philosophy is this home, which serves as the family home of Ham's Nick and Pamela Cox. This residence is a converted stable block and garden cottage, thoughtfully reconfigured to create a spacious, open-plan living and kitchen area. The design within the stables is a testament to Nick and Pamela's established style, showcasing a collection of antiques and artifacts that they have lovingly gathered over 4 decades. The overall feel of the home is elegant and practical, yet it also embraces surprising elements and a sense of not taking itself too seriously. Ultimately, it proves that exceptional house design is all about truly living in and cherishing your personal space. This home design is deeply personal, reflecting Nick and Pamela's 4 decades of collecting antiques and artifacts, which are seamlessly integrated throughout the home. This curated collection is not just decorative. It imbues the space with history and personality, forming an elegant yet practical backdrop for daily life. A key characteristic of the project is the balance struck between sophistication and a playful, unpretentious charm. This is evident in the surprising elements incorporated into the decor and the overall sense that the house is truly lived in and loved. For instance, the use of a pantry, designed by HAM Interiors for their own home within this home, highlights their practical approach to design. It focuses on functional yet beautiful storage solutions that complement the traditional aesthetic. The project ultimately showcases how great house design is not merely about aesthetics, but about creating a space that genuinely serves and delights its inhabitants.